I'm going to show you exactly how we differentiate ourselves from our competitors when we are preparing a commercial insurance program for health clubs and fitness centers. First off, I think it's important to mention that we work specifically with a health club insurance program that's designed to help the fitness and health club space. But in this video, I'm going to share with you some of the meat and potatoes that you need to know and be aware of so that you know how we differentiate ourselves from our competitors. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to go to really quick is going to be the coverage. So right off the bat, as you can see, this is all of the coverage that's included in this policy. There are other coverages, but we're not going to go into all the coverages for now. But one of the things I want to make sure I highlight for you is the damage to premises rented to you. Our programs automatically include $1 million in damage to premises rented to you coverage. This literally provides the rebuild costs and the coverage for the specific space that you are leasing. So facility and gyms, those spaces are much bigger. And so most policies generically are going to cover only $100,000. And so if that's what you have on your policy, you have no coverage for this kind of thing. And it's extremely important to ensure that you have the right coverage. So if something happens to that location, you have what you need. Competitor offers a standard $2 million liability policy. Okay. Now, some landlords are going to require you have an umbrella, which probably increases that to an extra $1 million, making it total $3 million. On our policy, we automatically include $5 million in liability coverage. So there's no need for a separate policy. If you notice on this one, they only have $2 million, but in their case, the landlord required them to have an extra $1 million. So they had to purchase a completely separate policy to get the umbrella to total $3 million. Now, the last thing I'm going to show you here, and this is probably the thing you want to look at and are waiting for, is what is the price. Now, with this particular fitness center, the total price was $4,034. Okay. That was for one policy, $5 million in liability coverage. It included the business property, the business interruption, tenant improvements, and all of the coverage I just highlighted for you here. Their price for just the first policy was $7,422. The umbrella that they needed to get based on the landlord requirements for that extra $1 million was an extra $2,000. So we're talking over $9,000 for this policy, whereas our program gives it to them for $4,000. That's right. We literally cut the premium in half. Now, obviously, the facility size matters, right? So if some that are smaller, obviously, are going to get a much lower rate, and those that are bigger are going to get a much bigger rate, right? Obviously, it just depends on the size. But I wanted to showcase for you what it is that we're doing for our clients. This is the experience that they're experiencing. We have a specialized program to help fitness and health clubs. We can help you out. Take a look at us. Book 30-minute consultations with us. We'll take a look at your policy. We'll tell you what you have and what you don't have, and then we can provide you a proposal and a new insurance program so that you can take a look at what the difference is and make the decision on your own. Now, look, it's very important you understand what happens here. There's two scenarios. Number one, you check it out. It makes no sense. At least you've done your due diligence and you know that what you have is still the better deal. Or best case scenario, you check it out. We do all the work. We tell you what you get and we show it to you transparent. We show it just to you just like this in the video where you can see the video proposal. You can see the coverages that you have. And if it makes sense, you pay nothing other than your first installment to get it going, or you can pay it in full. You get a discount for that, and we get you going. Anyway, my name is Fabian, founder and owner of SHFT Insurance. If you're interested, book a 30-minute consultation with us, and we'll show you how we can help.